Deal Metering, a sustainable company. Greenhouse gases affect the temperature of the Earth. They formed naturally in the atmosphere and contributed to the creation of the Earth's mild temperature, conducive to the emergence of life. However, the amount of greenhouse gases has increased dramatically due to human activities. The extreme increase in greenhouse gas emissions is the main cause of climate change. The continuous elevation of the average Earth temperature has many consequences. It's not milder winters and pleasantly warm summers. It's extreme heat waves, weather phenomena, droughts, desertification, rising sea and ocean levels. Climate affects our entire lives. Among other things, the following contribute to the increase in emissions: burning of fossil fuels, manufacturing processes, transport, electricity and heat production, waste generation and utilization. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is a major action. Deal Metering has committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 40% by year 2030 and to reaching full carbon neutrality by 2045 in terms of direct emissions, Scope 1, and indirect emissions, Scope 2. Since 2022, we yearly assess our level of greenhouse gas emissions. In accordance with the applicable standards, we assess 3 scopes. Scope 1, direct emissions, produced directly by deal metering when burning fossil fuels, coal, gas, gasoline. Scope 2, indirect emissions generated from energy purchased from utility suppliers, mainly electricity and heat. Scope 3, indirect emissions other than those included in Scope 2, for example, production of components, transport of components and products, use of the product by the final consumer, recycling or disposal of waste and product, and also related to employees commuting to work or business trips. At Deal Metering, every commitment is followed by real actions. To reduce CO2 emissions, we modernize our plants. We change the lighting and invest in energy-efficient machines. We reduce usage of plastic and packaging for the conception and the transport of our products. In our factories, we also act to reduce water consumption and use more environmentally friendly ways of heating. We try to limit the transport of products and components through direct deliveries. We also encourage our logistics partners to reduce vehicle emissions. We promote ecological attitudes of our employees. We encourage them to co-driving. We enable remote work, and we provide a parking for bicycles in several plants. We want our solutions and products to be eco-friendly. When designing, we take into account, among others, type and weight of components, the integration of recycled materials, the method of production, the lifetime after installation, or the possibility of recycling after the end of exploitation. Deal Metering. Empower a sustainable future.